Hey guys, it's Trippy, welcome to the video. Today myself and Connor went on quite a big adventure and a big old walk. We started off in a place called Cadgwith, I hope that's how you pronounce it anyway, it's a small fishing village. But we also drove on away from there again and down towards a different beach, which is going to be another video in itself just because otherwise this one would be like 25-30 minutes long. But the reason I want to do this video is because someone asked if I could start covering villages and towns on the videos as well, because if you go to a town like, say, like Redruth for an example, there's not really much I can show off. Whereas like a little fishing village like this, or in Mousel, which you'll hear me mention in the video, especially around Christmas time when they've got the lights on, I just think it'd be a really cool place to cover. So if you guys know any villages like this that are like right on the coast, maybe like a fishing village like this, I'd love to go and visit them and show them off. But unfortunately, due to the time of day, that all the Christmas lights were off. But my plan is, as you'll probably hear me say again 2 or 3 times, I want to do Mousel. And even if I can't visit them straight away, I'm more than happy to add it to my list of places to visit. I think there's about 6 or 7 places on there now. And if you've been following my other videos, you'll know I've been going on about I've got a holiday from work next week, so I have to work Monday morning, and then from lunchtime until the following Monday, I'm free. So as long as the weather's good, I can hopefully pump out quite a few videos and visit a few places. And even better after that, I've still got my big plan for Christmas because of the Christmas break. Not quite ready to reveal what it is yet, just in case the lockdown is extended, because that'll screw my plans right up. But yeah, I'm really excited for it. I'm a bit of a Scrooge when it comes to Christmas, but I'm actually really looking forward to this December just because of all my plans. So yeah, won't go on about that too much, like I said, just in case it doesn't happen. But I hope you guys enjoy this video regardless. And yeah, I shall crack on with it. There's a restaurant and pub, but I reckon, and shops, but I reckon that's all closed. At least it doesn't feel windy here at the minute.
Do you think that crab's the scale?
What crab? Oh. Yeah, I don't think I've ever filmed like a little fishing village before. This sort of, to film this and it turns out right, that could be a good sign to go to Mousel when the Christmas lights are all up. I can smell the seaweed. God, I really am tempted to come back when the lights are on. I bet it'd look really cool. That's why I like Mousel's on like the top of my list at the minute for Christmas, like harbours with Christmas lights. There's quite the smell down here. Woo-hee! Oh, look at that little patio they've got supported by the concrete blocks there. That looks so good. Oh, there's like little steps leading onto those rocks. What is it? Oh, the walk of death. As I say, I'll film you crossing, just so there's evidence that I didn't push you. Oh, it doesn't look so bad from here, but still.
Stand there, you can see like both sides.
Oh yeah. We were just listening to a song called Don't Fall as well. I was just listening to a song called Don't Fall. Oh God. Jeez. I get a view of what's below, but I ain't crossing that. The other side looks just as bad. And for your next challenge, you need to monkey swing across that wire. Dun, dun. Now you need to climb across there to the other side and plant the flag. Ding diddling ding, ding 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 diddling ding. Yeah, I'm gonna 100% make time to visit Mousehole when those lights are up. This has really got me feeling good for it.